Eva Trades.
Welcome to the Risk Management Simulator series, where I'm going to be trading in the simulator to practice my strategies so that I can improve my trading for when I trade real money again come Monday. So I've got all weekend where I can practice and try to get better and work on some things that I was missing last week. So let's do that now. Here we go. And remember, day trading is risky. This is for educational and entertainment purposes. Welcome to Eva Trades. My name is Josh. Happy to have you here. So today's date is April 7th, 2023. But today's simulated date is December 28th, 2022. I'm going to push play. This is the Thinkorswim platform. I'm using the on-demand feature where you can go back in time. And these are the three leading tickers for the entire market on December 28th. These are the three leading gappers. So we'll break them down. And see what they look like. So I'll start with the larger time frames. What you're looking at right here is the 1 and the 5 minute time frames for each ticker. So I'll do this here so we can look at the hourly and the 15 minute for each one. So just to get a good feel for what we're looking at. So I'll start with the hourly, LUCY, Lucy, the leading gapper of the morning. We have an hourly inside bar, I do believe. Yep. So you can see it's a double top on the 15 minute. So what does an inside bar on a larger time frame tell us about the smaller time frame? It tells us that we have an equilibrium on a smaller time frame. And that's kind of what we're looking at here. It's a choppy equilibrium. You have your high of the move. You got your low down here. So high, low, lower high. And it's not putting in clear higher lows and lower highs. It's choppy even on the 5 minute. But we do have this support area. This is the 5 minute here. This is the support area there. There's the support area there. So it's a little more pronounced on the 5 minute time frame. Look at this volume on that last candle. That's some incredible bull volume. That speaks volumes about what this stock might do. This is a cheaper stock. I historically don't do too well on these cheaper stocks below $2, but you know, there could be something here. And there is the bull break of that equilibrium. So let me keep an eye on the time here. Yeah, we have 2.5 minutes till the market opens. That's a nice break on LUCY. So that's the one that I'm probably going to be leaning towards trading the most. KALA, we'll take a look at the larger time frame again here. So KALA is a little bit choppy. We have a couple of wicks here on the hourly time frame, but again, we had an hourly inside bar. We had a bull break, but the bulls failed to take that any higher. And you can see down here on the 15 minute time frame, here was that inside bar high right there that we broke through, but bulls had no mustard behind that, and now we're pulling back. So a failure like that could mean one thing. It could mean that we're going to pull back on this larger time frame on the hourly. If we lose the 15 minute uptrend, right now we have a 15 minute uptrend with a higher low, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Anything above 610 is still a higher low. As long as we continue a 15 minute uptrend, we are in no danger of consolidating on the hourly time frame, at least for now. But if we do lose that 15 minute uptrend and we break this support and we start to form a lower high and another lower low, we will have hourly consolidation underway and a pullback, and then we'll be looking at the hourly time frame for a higher low, and anything above 493 is a higher low on the hourly time frame. Bulls would like to turn this around and break straight back through these highs, though, and continue the 15-minute uptrend. We'll see what happens there. And RIVN is a placeholder. I don't really have any interest in trading it. If it does something, maybe we'll take a look at it. But right now, I'm not too interested. So it's really light on volume, and there really wasn't anything else to put up there. So the market's going to open now in 30 seconds. And I am live streaming this simulator series. I never used to do the live streams for the simulator challenges, but what the heck. I am going to post this video to YouTube later also, so that way anybody who didn't see the live stream will get to watch the video on YouTube on the channel. So the market is now open. Let's see, we have a gap and go here on LUCY. I can't trade in the first 1 minute. The simulator doesn't allow that. I'm buying KALA on a pullback after it broke out. It's a double top. I didn't go over the game book rules while we wait for that to... I'm done if I hit my max loss of $100. I'm done if I give back half after hitting my daily goal, which is $50. I won't take more than 4 positions to start the day. I won't take more positions than my max loss allows for. So I'm never going to be risking more than $100 overall. And I am actually, what I'm going to do here, target limit orders to sell my order. I had this problem yesterday. That's interesting. Look at RIVN. So I'm in LUCY off of the EMA. Sold half of my position on KALA. I'm going to sell the other half there just to take my profit on it. That was a pretty good pullback. I'm going to exit half of LUCY because it's pulled back way more than it should have. So I'm just trying to mitigate a loss. I'm going to go ahead and get out the rest of it. So I'm all out on everything right now. Buying Lucy off of the volume weighted average price. And it's not bouncing, so I'm just going to get back out. So I'm down $50 on Lucy now. Oh, big move on KALA. So I'm getting in this for the breakthrough 7. That was a breakthrough the high at pre-market there. Selling half. That was a nice breakthrough 7. See if we can get a move up to 750. A lot of buyers on the bid here. We are halted at 724. So halted on Kayla. I'm still in it with one position. So I'll expect resumption in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to trade RIVN over here. I am in it twice on this inside bar. Looking for the bull break, inside bar bull break. Actually move my stop loss down a little lower here, down below the lows. We were halted at 635, so expect resumption at 640 on KALA. Lucy is coming down to support. Stopped out on RIVN. I'm all out there for a loss. I'm back in RIVN with one position. If it drops a little more, I'll add down at 1790. So I'm looking for that pullback that we're getting here to be a higher low on the 1 minute time frame. I'm adding adding there as we're coming back to the volume weighted average price. And now I want to see a bounce off of the volume weighted average price and a move back up to the high. I'm risking $29 on the trade. Stopped out on RIVN, down 59 now. So we didn't hold that volume weighted average price on this one. So that's Lucy and RIVN both dropping below the volume weighted average price. So KALA should be resuming in the next minute, where we halted at the resistance of 722 on that hourly time frame. I'm looking for resumption up to around 750. I'm back in on RIVN here. I'm going to put my stop loss down at the low, risking $23. Watching Kayla here, there's their resumption. I'm going to sell it there for a really nice profit. So I'm back in Kayla, looking for a move up to $8. Got out there, and I'm selling the rest right there. That was a beautiful move. See if I can buy a dip on this. I think it's halted at 833. Yep. Missed the dip buy. I missed the support buy here on Lucy. I was trading Kayla, so I couldn't watch that one at the same time. Oh, I thought we were halted, but apparently we are not. I'm in it down at 802 and 816. Oh, it's a new 1 minute candle. I'm selling half, and I'm selling the other half right there. I'm going to sell half of my position on RIVN right there. Going to move my stop loss up. And I'm looking for a move up to the high of 1826. Rejecting off at $18 on RIVN. There's a 2-bar pullback to $8. Kayla, I'm in it there. Selling for the break through the high. Coming up to 850. I'm all out over here on RIVN. So I'm only up about $63 on the day, $50 after all is said and done. Oops, cancel these limit orders. I'm going to buy Kayla here for the breakthrough 50. There's the break. I'm gonna sell half of it just to mitigate the loss. Just get out the rest, take the loss on it as we pull back to $8. RIVN, I'm buying it there. Maybe not the best choice. Oh, that was not what I expected. So I got back out. I'm back in over here on Kayla. Adding, looking for the move up to 9. See if we get through 9. Well, I guess it's, is it halted? I don't know. I thought it was halted, but keeps on fooling me, making me think it is. The simulator platform that keeps freezing up. So I'm all out of Kayla. I'm back in RIVN. RIVN needs to get through $18. Keep rejecting from it. Getting back out of RIVN. Let's see if Kayla's going to hold up here. Will we get the breakthrough 9? The low of that candle is 857. Nope, getting back out. Now I'm buying RIVN, expecting a breakthrough 1806. I'm in Kayla one time. I'm also long Lucy. Selling half of Kayla. And I'm adding to RIVN. I'm all out on Kayla. And I'm selling Lucy. Finally breaking through $18 on RIVN. We're looking for the move through 1806. First 5-minute candle to make a new high would be 1802. Back in Kayla, being careful of a flush. Back out of Kayla, looking for the flush. Down to $8. There it is. So I'm in at 807. There I'm selling half. Selling the other half there. I'm all out on RIVN. So RIVN not holding up. Couldn't get above 1802. Gave it a shot. Thought it might try it, but it didn't give it to me. I'm churning a lot of shares here. But I'm following my rules. I haven't broken them yet. Looking for a higher low on the 5-minute. We have a 1-minute downtrend here on Kayla. So that's 5-minute consolidation. I'm looking for a move down to the volume weighted average price. I want to note the higher red volume here. Hey, good morning, Terry. What is this? The market is closed. Oh, I opened that. I opened that shit. Yeah, no, it's on demand. Yep, you're right. I called him up and I said, hey, you open that market. No, I'm practicing my strategy because I've been struggling a little bit the last week or two, and I thought it'd be a good idea to maybe practice a little bit and stream it too. I've never streamed it before. I thought, why not? Right now, my focus today is on following my rules because my last trading day on Thursday morning, I broke my rules and And I almost took a big loss, like a really, really big loss. Watching Kayla here for that move down to 760. Thanks. Nice to know I can come up with a good idea once in a while. Yeah, sometimes I just don't want to stop trading either. I hate going for a day without it. Then I feel like if I go for 1 or 2 days without trading, then I kind of lose my edge a little bit. I don't know if you feel that the same way sometimes, but yeah, Eric, you're right. A lot of people have. I see that. It's a pretty common theme throughout YouTube. I see a lot of guys talking about how the market's been choppy the last few weeks, and I mean, I'm glad it's not just me, but I still think it helps to kind of practice, maybe sharpen my skills a little. Well, we didn't pull back to the volume weighted average price like I wanted, so now we're going to come up to 875 resistance. Could look for a trend change on the 1 minute time frame to tell us that our 5 minute higher low is set. I'm in Lucy over here, buying off of this previous. Well, what line is that in? Do I even need to have? Oh yeah, that's right. That's that support. Okay, here we come up to 875. Okay, there's some resistance there for sure. See it jumping around. Well, let's see, stop loss is at, I'm risking $12 on that. I could buy this for the breakout through 904, but on the other hand, we might be due for a pullback. So what do you do? In a scenario like that, we've got increasing volume on the way up, so there's definitely some interest from the bulls. But we could pull back from here. I would like to see a 1 minute trend change before we break through the high, but if bulls are insistent on buying this, it could go straight through. So do you FOMO in and try to get in for the break, take a chance that it doesn't flush back down, or do you wait for the pullback and possibly miss the trade altogether? That is always the question. Stopped out over there on LUCY. I thought I'd give it a try. Well, I'm going to give this a shot. See if we get the breakthrough 9. There it is. And I just added to it, probably way too high. This thing is whipping around so crazily, man. So I'm going to hold this last position. I sold half. I think this looks good for a move up to 10. Maybe we get another halt off of it. So it's 7 o'clock in the simulator. So we have a new hourly candle. Oh, I didn't realize that. 7 o'clock, that's about quitting time for me. I don't know if I'm up. I think I'm probably about break even on my day. I'm all out on Kayla after seeing that we have a new hourly candle. So as far as things go for breaking my rules, I did not break my rules today. That's awesome. But I am down by $6. $6 red day. Oof. Gonna break the bank. So this is my risk management series. I've done 2 of these. I did 2 of them yesterday. So another one today. 28, negative $6. Is that even worth posting a YouTube video on? Well, I guess so. If it helps anybody. Well, I'm going to get out of here. I think that's it for me. I just came off a 12-hour shift and I've got to go do another one in about 6 hours. So you guys take care. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.